Hey everyone, my name is Ale and I'm a security specialist at Security and Safety Things. For July, our use case of the month is health and safety, so let's take a quick look at some of the apps that you can try out for free on our store. You can't imagine how seriously we take health and safety in our company. It is the backbone of everything we do. So naturally, we have a wide selection of apps that will keep you, your customers, and your employees safe regardless of industry. These apps use a feature called object recognition. That means that cameras can see, for example, an apple on a scene and know that this is an apple or at least not an orange. In practice, that means that apps like AI Smoke can see and identify smoke on a scene and give alerts. That is very useful in open areas and even forests, where conventional smoke detectors are not as effective. Something else that object recognition does is tell the difference between someone that is standing or someone that is lying on the floor. For workers that are working in late hours or someone that has an accident on their own, that means getting much needed help quicker. It ensures that people are wearing proper equipment regardless of industry. PPE recognition detects yellow vests and helmets for construction workers, and Face Detect Deep ensures hospital staff are wearing face masks, for example. If a camera can tell where people are standing, it also helps in COVID-19 use cases such as maximum occupancy detection and social distancing control. Those are just some of the apps you can find in our store. Browse it yourself to find almost 100 apps in many more use cases. And of course, don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook. We're always sharing videos, webinars, and articles that will help you reach the full potential of your security camera.